How's it going, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is, the exact levels / zones I'm watching for the upcoming week, and how I'm going to trade them. So let's get right into this. First up, ticker NQ. So if you trade futures, options, or shares, you're in the right area. You can trade QQQ based off NQ, and you can trade SPY based off ES, or vice versa. I'm going to give you zones on all four, so let's get going. So this zone we're in now is a big level. This is previous demand. It is the bottom of the flagpole on the NQ daily bear flag that broke down. Yes, we could bounce here, but ideally we break below, we pull back, look for a retest of this area for a short entry, okay? Wait on confirmation. And in a perfect world, we catch this together live on YouTube this week. That way I can give you my thoughts as we take it. We push down. The closest demand I like for a bounce starts around this 19,127, goes down to 19,081. It breaks below the bottom. It is invalid. I'm not interested in entering anywhere in here. I want to see this come down, test, come back out, and watch for the confirmation. As far as rejects go, I like this zone here on NQ. If we do push up before we break down, same thing, looking for a retest of it from the bottom. Let it confirm that we have supply here now and try some shorts. Up next, ticker ES. And remember, everyone, if your charts look a little different, if you're having a hard time finding the zones I have, come right here. And make sure you do this on NQ ES. Click on the octagon, the settings, click symbol. Come here, turn electronic trading hours on, and adjust for contract changes. Make sure you keep that checked. And check on this occasionally. You know, new charts and stuff, always look here. All right, let's move on. Hopefully that addresses a question I get quite often. Why doesn't our zones look the same? Probably that. Now, before we go on with these levels, real quick, if you want to try trading futures or try a new company, if you want to get funded with them instead of risking your own capital, I recommend Take Profit Trader. Just recently discovered them. I gotta say, I love everything about what they do. There's no activation fees once you pass the eval. So what you pay for the eval, that's all you pay. And you pass to give you your funded account. And then you can qualify for a payout on day one. You can trade up to 5 accounts linked together. So check them out. Take Profit Trader. Make sure you use code Grizzly if you want the discount. I'll leave a link in the description. Now let's get on with the levels. So we have a possible bounce zone down here, 569 down to 561 area. We could watch this for a possible bounce. And again, possible shorts here. Up next, ticker SPY. Closest demand I have is around this 551.5 down to 549.79. Again, we could watch this for a possible retest for a put entry or ES short entry. We break above this. I do like a possible reject up here if we can confirm supply. Come up, test this zone. I'll look, to take the shorts once we get a nice strong close coming out of it. Last but not least, ticker QQQ. So you can see what I'm talking about. The zone's a little bit higher up on QQQ NQ, the current demand, as opposed to SPY ES. We're kind of sitting in it on QQQ, and SPY, we still got a little ways to go. Something to think about before entering trades. I've seen the market bounce in either, but looking for the breakdown retest of this for shorts or QQQ puts, NQ shorts or QQQ puts, and looking for the retest of this zone again for a possible put entry. I expect we will create plenty of fresh hourly zones this week, but for now, this is all I have. Get these levels on your chart and make sure you have them notifications on so you don't miss when I go live or when I drop the weekly watch list. And I plan on bringing even more value to my YouTube. I'm going to do more educational videos along with the weekly watch list. I'm going to bring that back. If you have any recommendations for the videos you would like to see, just drop them in the comments, okay? I'm trying to work to provide, as much free value as possible. So appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.